iTechshark, y'all, is who I go to fix my phones when I drop them. And let me tell you, if you like me and you drop your phones a lot, then I definitely suggest that you guys come up here to iTechshark, man, to get you guys back up and running. But iPhones is not the only thing that they actually fix. They fix MacBook Pros like the one that I have here, iMacs, iPads, and even Apple Watches. Now, let me tell you, there's actually not a lot of places out here that is skilled enough to fix Apple Watches. And so that is why I come here, and that's why I trust them with all of my Apple products, because y'all already know Apple products are expensive. So you better get your products in the right hands. Now again, guys, if you have any Apple related products, man, that you guys want fixed and have any issues with, make sure to stop over and see my friends over at iTechshark, man. They are some of the best people in the business for fixing your Apple products. And while you're at it, just go ahead and tell them CKidTech sent you. All right, y'all, peace.